My names, I'm called Brian Wakabo. I'm from Bukaye village. I was running and I fallen down and the knee was dispositioned. These are now 6 years, it is just worsening. In 2019, when Madam Elnoa came here, she was preaching the gospel. She asked him, "What is paining you?" I explained to her what happened to my leg. Madam Elnoa took me to the hospital. They tried to give me treatment, but the knee is continuing to hurt every time it is worsening. Even today, Ma'am Elnoa inquired what is wrong, and we explained to her, and she sent some money to go to the doctor to see really what is wrong. But the doctor said the knee needs to be reconstructed because it is really worse. Right now we are outside the hospital. Whoever can pray for me or help me financially for the reconstruction of my knee, please do it. I just sit home crying. I'm like a younger kid. Please, I'm in much pain with my mom, and I'm an orphan with one single mom. My dad died years ago, and I stay with my mom called Beatrice. Please help me because I'm in much pain, and at this time we are heading back to the village just right now. Please, my names, I'm called Beatrice. This is my son. We've tried all the herbal medicine. We've tried each and everything at the village for the healing of the leg of my son. But whoever can help us in prayers or financially, I'm a widow, please come and help me. I'm very, very, very badly off because even where I sleep, it is not my place. Bye bye.